Here's how to replace a product in your store with a new one, keeping the same product page. Useful for a new supplier, for migrating from another app, or for reusing a page that already has links and ranking behind it. Start on the supplier's page, exactly the way you always do. Click Add. In the editor, there's a switch. Override existing product. It's off by default. Turn it on and Add to your store becomes Override. Search your store. Every product you have is listed here. Pick the one you're replacing. Maybe your supplier went out of stock, or put the price up. Its URL is the one you're keeping. Then override product. Nothing has changed yet. Importify tells you exactly what's about to happen. The product is fully overwritten, and your existing URL stays as it is. Title and description, variants and price, images, tags, type and collection, SKU and barcode, all of it replaced. There's no undo, so read it before you confirm. Updated, not duplicated, one product, carrying the new data. And there it is, live. The URL is unchanged, right down to the handle it was created with, and the product is completely different. Same page, new product.